Magandang umaga po sa inyo lahat, kay Attorney Fabia, at sa lahat po ng members ng media na nandito at aking mga kasamahan sa EMB. Nais ko pong sanang simulan na ibigay muna yung mandates and thrusts ng Environmental Management Bureau bago po tayo magbigay ng mga tanong. The Environmental Management Bureau is mandated to implement on a nationwide scale the following environmental laws. Yung Republic Act 8749, yun po yung Clean Air Act. Ang PD 1586 po, which is the Environmental Impact Statement System. RA 6969 po, ito ang Toxic Substances and Hazardous Wastes Control Act. RA 9275, which is the Clean Water Act. RA 9003, which is the Ecological Solid Waste Management Act. And RA 9512, which deals with environmental awareness and education. Sa ilalim po ng Executive Order 192, which dealt with the reorganization of the Department of Environment and Natural Resources, kasama rin po sa mandato ng EMB, is to educate and inform the citizenry about environmental laws. Magbigay po ng research at sa laboratory service, and also to serve as the secretariat po sa Pollution Adjudication Board. Ang una ko pong tatalakayin ang air quality.